starting with Chapter 9, titled Unlawful Assemblies and Maintenance of Public Peace and Security. We delve into sections 128 to 132A. These sections underscore the importance of peace and security in public places. They outline the regulations surrounding unlawful assemblies, detailing the responsibilities of those involved and the penalties for non-compliance. Moving on to Chapter 10, Public Nuisances, we find sections 133 to 143. These sections emphasize the critical role of public order and cleanliness. They define what constitutes public nuisances and provide guidelines on how to handle them. The aim here isn't just to maintain public order, but also to ensure that everyone can enjoy public spaces without discomfort or inconvenience. Chapter 11, Temporary Orders in Urgent Cases of Nuisance or Apprehended Danger, contains only Section 144. This section is a potent tool for maintaining public order, allowing for temporary orders in urgent situations. It provides a legal framework for swift action in cases of immediate danger or nuisance, ensuring the safety of the public. Next, Chapter 12, Disputes as to Immovable Property, covers sections 145 to 148. These sections focus on resolving property disputes, outlining the procedures and guidelines for such cases. They ensure fair and timely resolutions, keeping in mind the rights and responsibilities of all parties involved. Chapter 13, Preventive Action of the Police, spans from sections 149 to 153. These sections highlight the proactive role of the police in preventing crime. They provide guidelines on when and how the police can take preventive action, helping to maintain public peace and security. Lastly, Part 5, Information to the Police and Their Powers to Investigate, encapsulates Chapter 14 and sections 154 to 176. This part delves into the relationship between the public and the police. It outlines the process of reporting crimes, the powers of the police in investigating crimes, and the responsibilities of both parties. This part reinforces the importance of cooperation between the public and law enforcement in maintaining law and order.